Want to bring the power of AI directly into your Kali Linux terminal? Meet Terminal-GPT, or tgpt, a fast and efficient tool that lets you access ChatGPT right from the command line. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get it set up and running in Kali Linux. Let's dive in. From answering security questions to generating code, tgpt is like having an AI assistant on demand, right in your terminal. Ready to level up your terminal game? Let's get started. Firstly, open up your browser and search for tgpt GitHub. Click on the first link. Now open up your terminal and update it by just entering the command sudo apt update. The machine will get updated after few seconds. Now I will choose desktop directory to install the GPT. Now got to your browser and under code section, copy the link which is under HTTPS instead of GitHub CLI. And then enter the command git clone and paste the copied link, then hit enter. After that, the tgpt installed successfully in your system. Once the tgpt installed, move to the tgpt folder. Then hit ls command to list the content under tgpt folder. Under tgpt folder, a program name install. To install the packages, enter command /install. It will automatically start downloading into your system. Now the tgpt is ready to use from your terminal. Simple. We enter command tgpt, help to get info how to use it. Here you can see the list of commands like C for code, S for shell and img for image and so on. You can read all the commands. Now moving to the forward and enter command tgpt who is the father of Linux OS. And it will gives you the all info regarding Linux OS, as you can see. Now ask another question: how to install Ubuntu in Kali OS. You can get all steps involved to install Ubuntu in Kali machine. Now move to the next topic and ask tgpt to write a simple calculator code for me. Let's see what's happening. Successfully, tgpt have written the code as you can see. Now ask tgpt that I have forgotten how to list the directory in Kali machine. Let's see. It gives the command lsr command, which is used to heat ls. Our command in Linux lists the contents of directories recursively, including all subdirectories and their subdirectories. Hit Y to see the results. You can see all the directories all listed on terminal by just a simple command. Now the last command, I'm gonna ask tgpt to generate an image. Let's see what's happening. Enter the command which is shown on the screen. In mine case some error occurs, tgpt asked me to try again later. Anyway, that's for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.